Hey guys, welcome to this recap from Sketchaday Live on Wednesday, May 20th. In this segment, as a wrap-up, we draw a makeup compact, which I've never done before, and a powder brush as well. We do this 3 times a week on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Okay, up next, let's do a quick compact. Should we do circle? Should we do just a rectangular compact? What do you guys think? Don't care. I'll do a brush to start. Just a quick makeup brush. All right, so some little makeup brush here. We'll add some texture. So if you're wondering, how is he putting that brush there? I'm kind of thinking about the scene. Before I draw the scene, David says circle. All right, that's gonna be a little harder. So let me think on this. So if it's a circle, I need to think about, okay, what angle is the lid at, right? Maybe something like that. And should we make it all black? All of these things just black. That'd be kind of cool. All right, so the reason these look a little different, right? You got to remember, we've got an ellipse going this way. You've got an ellipse going this way. So that's part of the challenge in drawing stuff like this. Now, I don't know exactly what goes in organic circular form. I don't know exactly what goes inside one of these, so I'm going to break the rules a little bit. Ladies, forgive me. And let's just say this is, what's this, foundation, powder? What is this? Does it have a light? Maybe it does have a light. Up here. It's like at the bottom of the page. It's kind of bugging me. Maybe I'll do another one. It's bugging me that it's at the bottom of the page. All right, so we'll start again. All right, there we go. Something like that. Something like that. Oh, other exciting news as well. Yeah, the mirror is going to be right here. But other exciting news is should we have someone holding the makeup compact? I have someone producing some music for the channel. A friend of mine who's also a designer. And I'm really excited. Like, I heard some of what he was working on. I'm like, holy crap, that's amazing. I'm so excited. Because one of the things that happens with YouTube is sometimes you post something and then they take it down and you don't know why. And it turns out that powdered highlight. I don't even know what a powdered highlight is though, Stephania. I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, I don't wear makeup, so I'm just gonna say this thing is filled with some makeup colored thing. I don't know what it would be. Forgive me. Maybe I need to go do some research or find a girlfriend finally. Which that has its own challenges, but once I figure that out, then I'll be like, makeup expert. All right, so there's my compact and my brush. Let's render, guys. Let's do the fun stuff. Hope you're having fun. I certainly am. I'm gonna play Minecraft with my kids after this, so it should be a good evening. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the Sixer is laughing. Yeah, dating is not easy, man. But this is not sketch a date, this is sketch a day. So I'll leave it at that. I keep my problems to myself. Yeah, I don't even know what to call this episode because we did a 3D printer to start. And then I'm gonna blame the Instagrammers for that one. I gotta give him some love, right? And then we ended up doing materials because someone again on Instagram asked, can you do alligator skin? And the more I thought about it today, they actually asked earlier this week, the more I thought about it, I was like, yeah, let's do it. Let's see what that's like. And here we are doing a makeup compact now. I don't know what this show is. I really don't. I don't know what it is besides fun. So thank you. Yeah, I like the live show format. I feel like talking to you guys, I'm honestly happier. I'm less like stressed and I can just go and we can draw anything. Like this is fun. And you guys give awesome advice. Sketch a date. Maybe that should be my next podcast. Sketch a date. All my dating adventures. Seriously, there are many. Oh shoot, you know, someone asked me, I need to make a note of it. Let me grab my notebook. Cause my brain is like a sieve, guys. Do you know what a sieve is? Like a strainer? That's my brain. Someone wanted me to go over like a doodle style. S-T-Y-L-E. Like sketching a bit slower. Because a lot of my sketches I try to sketch faster. But doodle, it came to mind because as I was doing this slower stroke, I was like, oh yeah. They asked me to do that. And I never did. So I'll try to remember next time, but I can go over that. For show. Alright, sketch a date. My new YouTube channel. I really do need to maybe this summer work on I have an ASMR sketch channel where I'm just sketching and it's sounds of marker on paper or pencil. For some of you guys it would be absolutely mind-numbing, like nails on a chalkboard. Is that even a thing nowadays? Nails on a chalkboard? Most people use whiteboards as it is, but yeah, I started it for fun, and I just need to finish it up, keep working on it. It's just ASMR Sketch is the channel. Some of you may have found it from the main page, maybe not. It's really weird. But sometimes weird is good. Sketch a date with your boy, Black Ross. What's up? Players. Sketch a date. This week on Tinder. Do people even use Tinder anymore? Is that like a thing? I don't know. I've been off dating apps for a long time now. Oh, I am curious as well. So Friday we had my friend Saul Santos join in on the live, and I know it was a little bit choppy, but how was that? I've been in industry for a long time as a designer, and I don't just know industrial designers, I know business people, all sorts of people that I think would be willing to come on the show. So I've even talked to a few already, and they're like, yeah, that'd be awesome. What color is powder? Is it like a reddish yellow? Anyhow, so if you guys liked that, I'd be happy to keep doing it. Maybe not on the Friday. It might just be like, hey, on Thursdays or Tuesday or something, I just upload like an interview. But let me know. Ooh, Black Ross is the host of a dating show setting up other designers. I like that. Cause God knows I'm done. All right. So yeah, if you're tired of the music on the channel, maybe I am, but I'm really excited. My friend's making me music. I just had that idea last week. I was like, you know what? Let me just see. And so he's just gonna be helping out. It's gonna be along these lines, just kind of background music, but stuff you could jam out to if you wanted to. All right, so the mirror, one of the best ways to do this is if you had something that you were trying to reflect in, but I'm just gonna do a gray mirror, so we'll just do a gradient, okay? We'll keep it real chill. So I'll just do something like this with my dry marker. Svetlana, thank you so much for the suggestions today, by the way. This is great. I don't know where the makeup compact came from. I guess that was me. I was just like, that'd be fun. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. All right, so we're coming down to about the last 5 minutes here. This is your chance. If you want to shout out your webpage, whatever it is you do, as long as it's appropriate, guys. Let's keep it clean. Let me know. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We can do a heads up. Yeah, I wanted to keep it a surprise this time, so that's why I did it. But yeah, if you have anything you want to shout out, let me know. I'll be happy to call it out in the channel here. I'm just gonna finish up these bristles while we do that. Thank you so much again for hanging. David, you're a real one, man. Like, you've been here since the beginning of the stream. Svetlana, thank you. I don't know if Latrice is still watching, but thank you as well. The Skur. Part of the Migos. One of the founding members, I think. Thank you as well. Let's put a little powder on this brush here. It's a little something something. Hello Junior, what's up? We're just doing shout outs right now, so if you have something you want to shout out, call out, this is your time. Blaine just handed in his bachelor's. Yes, Blaine! Woo! Congrats, that has got to feel so good. I remember that feeling. Congrats to you, my man, or human. I don't know what you are. That's awesome. 145 pages. Are you kidding me? Congratulations, my man. That's That's amazing. Good job. Good work. Way to finish. Way to so many pages. Congratulations. Yes. Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Ig. Make It So 3D, new to my channel. Oh, thanks, Brian. Welcome. I hope you subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed it. David gave us a good tip. Make sure you have those alerts. That's a little bell turned on, or you won't really get the notifications when I go live. All right. Any more shout outs? Q says our architecture thesis is basically a whole project done from scratch. That's cool. My thesis, when I did it, I need to dig that project up and see if I can find it, but I did it on ritual and habit. I think I could do a lot better job on it now than I did then, and maybe I should. And it sounds super woo-woo, maybe crazy, but I had a dream about ritual, meaning habits. And that's how my project came to be, and then I created artifacts around ritual. Almost had a little religious bent to it. It was really cool. Ceremonial, if you will. Aegea. Okay, Aegea. Alright. Well, thanks, guys. Thank you so much. I had fun. This topic was interesting. Actually, let me do a quick recap. So, we did our makeup compact, right? Couple dots here just for texture. Boom, boom, boom. What's up, Junior? Makeup compact. We did kick things off today with a 3D printer. Did that as well. Some things I would tweak here, but overall, it's pretty quick. I think it was like 15-20 minutes. And then we did some fabric samples. We have alligator skin, fabric, leather, and patent leather. And we did a handbag directed by Svetlana. That's what we did as well. All these sketches will be available on the Google Drive for free if you watch this stream. So use that link. You can check them out if you need that reference. Thank you so much. I had so much fun.